Okay, this is an example of our IoT project which we have done. This is the alpha version in front of you guys, which we are demonstrating in this video, right? So the components which we have used is an infrared camera. It's a day-night vision camera. It worked in both condition, in the daylight as well and in the night as well. This is a Raspberry Pi, a motherboard you can say, which we have used for the processing power, and this is a breadboard just to give you a demonstration and how the things will be working on. This will give you the result basically. Okay, so this is a project of inventory store. We are having one of our client who is owning a big inventory store in US, right? So the inventory store is having multiple departments in it. So the client was having an issue that the lights get on 24/7 because the people keep on moving and going and here and there, right? So he wants such a system that in which he wants to make the light so much automated that when they detect any human, the light will get on, and when the human is not there or the presence of human is not there in that department, the lights will get off, so that he can save a bit of money from electricity bills and things like that. Okay, so as I told you that this is an infrared camera, so we have programmed it in an algorithm of TensorFlow over here. That's an algorithm of artificial intelligence. We have used AI in this processor, and we have made this camera artificial intelligent, that if this camera not only detect the whole human, but it also detect the human hand, any part of the human body, the camera can detect and can show it to the processor that a human have been detected, and the lights of the system will get on as per that. Okay, so this was the, you can say, a brief that how this project is going to work and how we are working on it. So let's have a demonstration as well, that how this camera will work. So this, you can see, is a workstation in which we have shown that how the things are working. Like when I'll tilt the camera on my face or my hand, I will say this thing will tell us that this is a person, or this is a chair, or this is a mobile. Since AI is in there, so it detects, and we have made the system so much intelligent that it detects the object and tells that what thing is it in real. Okay, so let's have a demo of the camera and the system and how the lights are getting blink. Okay, so now I'll tilt the camera towards myself, and you can see that the person is detected. Okay, so you can see, right? And now when I'll show my hand as well, so it can see that it's a person. If I show this, I have to put it over here, so it's detecting that the person is detected. Okay, so let's see over here. Okay, so the camera have detected myself. Right, so here's an example that I'm making the video as well, and the camera is detecting me. And on the other hand, if I showed you, so here's an example that how the light is blinking. That is just because that the camera is detecting me overall, and the light is getting blink, right? So in the same case, it will be happening in the store as well. So this was an example of how it is going to work and the things, right? So this is like that.